This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
This video is how to turn off the auto scaling on an image in Squarespace. So let's say you kind of have an image that looks like this, and you'll notice what happens when you kind of make the browser smaller or kind of enlarging it, that the image size kind of scales to suit. So when you make it smaller, the image becomes smaller. When you make the browser width larger, it becomes larger. And what we'll do is to turn it off. So I've already done that on this Alma Peterson image. So what happens is, even when the browser window is made smaller, like the image size is still the same, and it kind of crops the extra stuff. So I guess this will work best when you have an image where most of the content is in this particular corner, so that when the auto scaling is turned off, the image still kind of makes sense. So I'll show you guys how to do that for the Luke Green image here. All right, so the first step would be to get the block and image. Well, actually the ID for the block that has the image here. So to do that, what you do is right click anywhere on the image and go to Inspect Element. And I'll just enlarge in the HTML portion. And this will work for either Firefox or Chrome. So here we have the image tag, but what we need is really the div that has the block on it. So we'll scroll up and we're looking for a div that starts with ID block. So it's not this one because this has div ID YUI. Same thing here, same thing here, same thing here. So this is the one that we're looking for, the div that has a block with it, that the div that has an ID that starts with block. So what we'll do is to double click this ID, and I'm going to hit Control and C to copy, and we can close our Inspect Element window, and we're going to go into the back end of the site, hover over where it says Page Content, and go to Settings, and click on the Advanced tab, and here's where we're going to add our CSS. So we already have the CSS for the Alma Peterson image, but if there's nothing in here, you'll need to add the style tags, which is the style opening tag and the style closing tag. So right below this, we'll add hashtag, and we'll paste in that block code that we added before. We also need to add a space, then add the image tag on our opening and closing curly braces. And in here, we'll assign a minimum width. So we'll add like 600 pixels. In this case, we'll add it the same as the Alma Peterson image, but you can add any size really that you want for the minimum height and minimum width. So once you've done that, just hit the Save button. Actually, looks like I made a mistake there. Yep, here it is. It should be min width. So we'll hit Save. And I'll expand this out again. So you can see on the regular like desktop view, it looks pretty okay. But then when you minimize, because the auto scaling is turned.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.